So here we're given this equation of this ellipse, and we're told the major axis is AD, and we can find all these coordinates, and I'll do that as well. And the foci are G and H, they're asking for. And then points C and E are on the ellipse. Which of the following relationships is true? So you might note that point C, distance from the two foci is GC and CH. And the property of the ellipse is that if you move this point to somewhere else, the sum of those two distances remains the same. And so that's the case here with point E. These two will add up. These two distances will be the same as the distance of point C from the two foci, which, in other words, GC plus CH. So this is for people who already know this basic property of the ellipse, GE plus EH, which, if we look at the answer choices, this is choice E. So that's one way to do it. But let's say you don't know this property. Well, then you can just pick these points. I mean, that, I guess, let's see if that's even, yeah, let's try it. We know the coordinates of G minus 3, 0. Just reading off of here. And then this is 3, 0. And let's see, how do we find, I guess we'll have to kind of just, yeah, you will have to kind of approximate because they're not exactly at the, but let's try. Let's go through the answer choices. AD equal to BF. AD, well, no, that's saying that the major axis is equal to minor axis. In fact, we know the coordinates. This is 5, 0, minus 5, 0. Because if you set y to 0, that would give you the x-intercepts. And same way here, the y-intercepts is 0, 4, and 0, minus 4. So that one isn't right because AD would be 10 and BF is 8. So I'm just looking at other ways. If you didn't know that property, how would you go about eliminating the answer choices? So CG plus CH equal to BF. Let's see. So BF we already know is 8. And let's see if we were to actually estimate that distance. 3, 4, let's say it's 4.5. And then that is about 1, 2, 3, about 4. So if we do the Pythagorean theorem, it would be roughly that one. And then I have to do CH, which is 1.5. Yeah, so I guess it is kind of a little bit messy. 4 square plus 1.5 square. So this is, let's see, yeah, I think so 16. So I guess my problem is not being super quick with calculators. Plus 16, so 4.5 times 4.5 plus 16. So yeah, it's about 6. And then yeah, 4.3. So it's going to be 10. So that doesn't work. So you'll have to kind of do this trial and error, which is obviously not the best. EG plus EH, they're saying that is equal to 2 times GH. GH is 6, so that's 12. I mean, that's clearly, it's much bigger. So that would be one way to eliminate C. And then D is CG plus CH is equal to 2 times GH. 2 times GH is 12. So we already showed that we got 10. So that's how you would eliminate D. And then E, which is the correct answer, would come out very close. So not the best approach, considering that these points are not like perfect. But yeah, I think the original property I gave you is what the most efficient way. So the answer is E.